Hi, I'm Franz, and this is Krita. And let's see today how to do your own brush stamp in Krita. For example, I have the PNG file, such a butterfly, and let's create such a stamp. Firstly, I want to do it a little bit like smaller, so transform tool, holding shift, and such a pre-transform. Okay, enter. And now I am selecting my butterfly with rectangle selecting tool and Ctrl C, copying it. Then I'm going to brushes and I will choose some already existing brush stamp, and then I'll go to brush editor. Here you just have to be sure that pixel engine is selected and choose at the least brush tip, and then predefined, and then just add stamp. You see our butterfly is here. Let's just write the name of our stamp. Let it be butterfly, like this, and select everything here. Style, let it be regular, and save. Okay, so you can see our butterfly here, and it will be like that when we will be using it. New brush preset, save. And here we choose brush is chosen. These are our stamps, and we can change the size, we can change the color, opacity, everything, like usual brush, like other stamps. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!